In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Google Gmail rules to have emails skip your inbox. This is a great way to keep your inbox clean by automatically archiving messages you still want to keep but do not need to see right away. The key is using a Gmail filter, which looks for specific details in an email and then takes an action for you. Start by opening Gmail and going to your inbox. In the top right area of Gmail, click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. In the panel that opens, select See All Settings to open the full settings page. Across the top, find and click the tab called Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is where Gmail lets you manage rules that sort and organize your mail automatically. Once you are on that page, click Create a new filter. A small filter window will appear, and this is where you define the criteria for the messages you want to skip the inbox. First, in the From field, enter a specific email address or addresses if you want to target a particular sender. This is helpful for things like automated notifications. Next, you can use the Subject field to enter keywords that commonly appear in the subject line of the emails you want to filter. Try to choose words that are consistent, so the filter matches reliably. You can also use the Has the Words field to catch certain types of messages based on text in the email. For example, using a word like unsubscribe can help identify newsletters and promotional emails. Take a moment here to be as accurate as possible, because the more specific your criteria are, the better the results will be. When you are ready, click Create Filter at the bottom of that window. Now you will choose what Gmail should do with messages that match. To make the emails skip your inbox, check Skip the Inbox, Archive it. This removes them from the main inbox view, but the emails are still saved in your account. To keep things organized, also check Apply the label, then create a new label, such as Read Later, so you can easily find these archived messages anytime. If you want this rule to apply to emails you already have, check the option that applies the filter to matching conversations. Finally, click Create Filter again to save everything. And that is all there is to it.